Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. This is me Saname Rudra. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, this is an haul video. So last month I shopped from I Heart Beauty sale of Purple. मैंने सोचा कि ये वीडियो मैं लास्ट मंथ नहीं करती हूँ क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मैंने 2 हॉल वीडियोस कर रखे थे लास्ट मंथ। मैंने सोचा कि इसको मैं इस मंथ कर लूँगी क्योंकि आप लोग बोर ना हो जाओ यार हॉल वीडियोस देखते देखते। तो फिर और आपको जैसा पता ही होगा कि मैं लास्ट मंथ गुड़गांव गई थी अपना सारा सामान लेने के लिए। तो मैंने उस मंथ के सारे वीडियोस जो है प्री फिल्म करके शेड्यूल कर रखे थे सो दैट आई डोंट मिस आउट एनी अपलोड्स। गाइस, इन दिस हॉल वीडियो यू विल गेट टू सी ऑल द स्किन केयर एंड हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स। मैंने लास्ट मंथ ही नायका से शॉप किया था और उसमें मैंने सारे ही मेरे जो भी परचेजेस थे वो मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स थे। मैंने सोचा कि मैं इस बारी सिर्फ स्किन केयर और हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स ही शॉप करूँगी। So guys, if you are interested in watching, then be with me till the end of this video. And without further ado, let's get quickly into the video. So guys, Purple was having I Heart Beauty sale last month in which discount was up to 40%, and on some individual brands there were discounts like buy 2 get 2, buy 5 get 5, and if you spend a certain amount on any particular brand there were some deals like you'll get lipstick for free or some other product for free. So I have shopped few skincare and hair care products, so let's just begin the video. So guys, these are the 2 cartons that I shopped from Purple. मैंने दोनों ही ऑर्डर्स जो हैं एक साथ प्लेस किए थे बट ये अलग अलग टाइम पे अराइव हुए मेरे पास। इसमें से मैंने कार्टन तो दोनों ही ओपन कर रखे हैं, आप ये देखो, बट मैंने ये छोटे वाले का प्रोडक्ट जो है वो ओपन करके देख लिया था। बट अगर आप इस वाले कार्टन की बात करो तो इसमें आप देखो सारे ही प्रोडक्ट्स अभी भी पैक्ड हैं। मैंने बबल रैप भी नहीं ओपन किया है और प्रोडक्ट्स तो मैंने कोई भी नहीं यूज़ किए। So these are the products. So if I talk about the packaging, you can see बहुत ही अच्छे से ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं बबल रैप होकर के आते हैं, तो प्रोडक्ट डैमेज होने की तो चांस ही नहीं है। बहुत ही अच्छे से पैकिंग करते हैं ये। मैं इसे ओपन कर लेती हूँ फटाफट से और फिर मैं आपको मिलती हूँ। So guys, these are the sheet masks that I shopped from purple.com. ये The Face Shop ब्रांड के हैं और उस समय पर्पल पे बहुत ही अच्छी डील चल रही थी जिसमें कि अगर आप The Face Shop ब्रांड से परचेज करते हो 5 शीट मास्क you'll get 5 शीट मास्क फॉर फ्री। एक शीट मास्क जो है वो 100 रुपीज़ का है, विच मीन्स मुझे मैंने 10 लिया है तो मुझे एक 50 रुपये का पड़ गया, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड डील। मुझे 50% ऑफ पे मान लो कि मुझे मिल गया है। गाइज, मैंने अभी 10 तो ले रखे हैं। गुड़गांव जा कर के मेरे पास वहाँ पे भी 3-4 पड़े थे, मैं वहाँ से भी 3-4 लेकर के आई हूँ। आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट 14 to 15 शीट मास्क राइट नाउ। तो आई थिंक आई एम सॉर्टेड फॉर 2-3 मंथ्स एटलीस्ट। अब मुझे लेना ही नहीं पड़ेगा शीट मास्क 3 महीने तक एटलीस्ट। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर दैट। और आई एक्चुअली यूज़ दिस शीट मास्क once a week. It gives a ग्लो, बहुत ही अच्छा सा ग्लो आता है आपके चेहरे पे एंड एक बहुत अच्छा हाइड्रेशन मिलता है। सो इसमें शीट मास्क में जो सिरम्स होते हैं ये अलग अलग मतलब वेरिएंट के मैंने लिए हैं। लाइक दिस वन इज शिया बटर, देन आई हैव लेमन वन, देन दिस इज एलोवेरा एंड honey. Then I have rice. Rice is very good for face. Then this is cucumber one. Then rice again. Then tea tree. This is very good for your acne. Then I have potato one. This works very good for blemishes. Then the potato one again. So these are the शीट मास्क। गाइज जब आप शीट मास्क अप्लाई करोगे यू विल गेट टू सी दैट पैकेज में जो है ना एक्सेस सिरम बच जाता है। सो व्हाट आई लाइक टू डू, जो भी एक्सेस सिरम होता है आई लाइक टू अप्लाई इट ऑन माई हैंड्स, ऑन माई नेक एरिया, ऑन माई बैक एरिया। अच्छे से मैं सब जगह पे ही सिरम अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज आई थिंक लाइक योर फेस योर अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स ऑल्सो नीड प्रॉपर लव एंड केयर like your face. So don't just waste that serum, you can apply it on the rest of your body. So guys, the next product is this Good Vibes Red Clay Powder. So it says it is a multi-use powder and can be used for both hair and skin, and an excellent exfoliator. Red clay naturally detoxifies your hair by removing dirt and impurities hidden in the hair follicles. It also brightens complexion while reducing the redness and discomfort caused by irritation. So guys, I have read all the good things about this product. I was so impressed with this product. I thought that I just have to try this product. Guys, this product is basically for controlling your sebum production and also prevents your acne and also gives your skin and hair an oil-free look. When this mask is being used on your hairs, it controls your frizziness and just prevents the dandruff and also promotes hair growth. So when it is being used for your skin, it just smoothens your skin texture and makes it extremely glowy and shiny, and also prevents the blackhead production on your skin. So guys, the MRP of this product is 115 rupees and I got this for 92 rupees on sale. And I also forgot to mention one thing, that all the Good Vibes products are cruelty free, sulfate free and paraben free, so it is all good for your skin. Guys, the next product is this Good Vibes Water Lily Refreshing Shower Gel. So I got this product for free with the red clay powder. So this product is also paraben free and cruelty free, and the price of this product is 40 rupees and I got this for free. So I'll just use this product, and if it is good then I'll purchase the bigger bottle of this. Guys, the next product is this Good Vibes Tea Tree Essential Oil. So guys, this essential oil is a multi-purpose oil. So this can be used for your hair and skin both, and it has number of benefits. So it can be helpful for promoting hair growth. It reduces your dandruff, then it soothes your dry and itchy scalp, and it reduces your acne, lightens your blemishes and acne mark, and even works on your stress. So it has all the benefits. So I suggest you guys, you should go for this product. So this oil can be used in number of ways. So you can use 2 to 3 drops of essential oil in your hair mask, in your face pack, in your moisturizers, and even in your hair oil. So try this, and I'm damn sure you'll love it. And guys, the MRP of this product is 245 rupees and I got this for 192 rupees on sale. So guys, the next product is this Biotique Bio Musk Root hair mask. So it is an intensive hair growth treatment, and it says this nourishing treatment pack is blend of pure musk root, bay, licorice and nutmeg to rejuvenate the scalp, add strength to your strand and promote hair growth for longer, thicker and stronger hair. So guys, this was for MRP rupees 230 rupees, and I got this for 196 rupees. So guys, the benefit of this mask, it makes your hair frizz free, it makes your hair extremely shiny, stops your hair fall and volumizes and strengthens your hair. So I'm looking forward to try this. Actually, you can use this product with egg yolk and egg, actually, not yolk. So basically guys, you can use this mask with egg and with curd. So I'm looking forward to try this. I have heard so much good reviews about this product. I've never tried this. I'm trying it for the first time. So let me just show you the product. It is packed. So this is how it looks. It is extremely dry. दही के साथ ही I think ये better रहेगा use करना. So I'll use the product and then I'll give you the reviews about each and every product for sure in my upcoming videos. Guys, the next product is this Ab Goodness Indigo Powder. So guys, this is basically helpful for preventing your premature graying of hairs. So it can be helpful to get back your black hairs that you desire. So it can be used in mehndi or as a paste in water to get back your black hairs. And it says it makes your hair stronger, shinier and thicker, and conditions it and strengthens it, and also stimulates new hair growth, prevent premature graying of hairs, softens and detangles your hairs, and it is absolutely 100% organic and natural, pesticides and preservative free, created for all hair type and highly recommended for dry and brittle hairs. So guys, as you know that I have a lot of gray hairs, so I have heard good things about this product and I have read the reviews. The reviews were extremely good, so I purchased this product and I'll be trying it and then I'll tell you guys the reviews. So this was for rupees 80 and I got this for 52 rupees. Guys, the next product is this Ab Goodness Punarnava powder. So guys, the Punarnava powder has the properties that repairs your hair follicles. So if your hairs are damaged by applying excessive heats or too many chemical products on your hair, so this product will help you repair your hair. So you can apply this product on your hairs as a paste in water, and you have to keep this for at least 60 minutes to 3 hours. You can put it on your hairs and then you can rinse it off with water. And it says it is anti-inflammatory and it has renewing and cooling properties, stimulates melanin and cortisol production to darken the hair and alleviate stress, 100% organic and natural, pesticides and preservative free, created for all hair types and highly recommended for sensitive scalp. So this was for 80 rupees and I got this for 54 rupees. So this box is now vacant. Now in another box I got one product. This is Ab Goodness Kapoor Kachri powder. So this powder works on hair problems like hair loss, dry and damaged hairs. This powder strengthens and tones your scalp, making your hair stronger and shinier. So guys, that was it for this haul. So I have recently purchased this much products. So once I try the product, I'll be surely sharing the reviews with you guys. So I may share the reviews on my Instagram handle, so as I just keep on updating my IGTVs. So I keep on uploading a few DIY hair care, skincare videos. So if you guys don't want to miss out any tips and tricks that I keep on uploading on my IGTV and reviews about this product, do follow me on my Instagram handle. So my Instagram handle may be somewhere here, or the link is already in the description box below, so you can go and click the link and it will directly direct you to my Instagram handle. So guys, do follow me there. And yeah, so guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this haul. और अगर आपने enjoy किया है तो please hit the like button. अगर आप like button नहीं प्रेस करोगे तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपको हॉल वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं. So do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you guys.